Wow. So that means when somebody claps in the opposite direction, they can hear it.
Pay attention over there. Please, come here, come here. Magic. Control the knowledge. Run with religion. And everything else is easy. You know? My friends, if you clap over there, the other half will hear the bird. If you clap over there, it's vice versa. But if we 95,000 people clap at the same time, everybody hears the voice of God. You know? They told the Mayans, this is God talking to you. And the Mayans do whatever he says. One person makes the all 95,000 people do whatever he wants. See? Controlling the knowledge and the religion. The problem is, the people inside here, they got too ambitious. And the people inside here started marrying each other. So they never share the knowledge to the others and marry each other. 5,000 people here is not that bad. But imagine if you look where the wall is much smaller and the people inside Tulum is only 500. 500 people marrying each other for 200 years. Everybody is related. You were marrying family members. And that never ends well. You see, when the Mayans started marrying family members, they got mental problems, physical illness, they got hunchback, they got shorter leg, they got 6 fingers in the hand, they got a lot of troubles. Little people we found in the stone carvings, you know, the Mayans started having a lot of troubles because they married each other. You see, and the beginning of the end for the Maya is 850 when they made the wall around them. You see?